It tastes so good that I make this chicken almost every day. Easy and fast. And for this recipe, we're going to need 2 chicken breasts. I'm making cuts like this on it. To be sure, it cannot go beyond the chicken breast. Now in a container, I will add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Put a teaspoon of salt. A teaspoon of black pepper. A spoonful of sweet paprika. A spoonful of oregano. And we are going to mix very well. And people are already commenting to me, "What city are you watching us from?" I'll send you a super special hug for every one of you who is commenting. In a container, I will put olive oil and add the chicken breast. Like this here. With the brush, let's apply our seasoning, right? Now turn the chicken over and season the other side as well. I'll be cutting pieces of mozzarella cheese. And also cutting slices of a tomato. Now I'm going to add the mozzarella cheese to the chicken cuts, right? And then add the tomato. And today, I'm going to send a special big hug to Mary from Orlando, Florida. Thank you so much for always commenting. I thank you immensely. I will now be taking it in a preheated oven at 356 degrees for about 40 minutes. And our chicken was ready, and it was super delicious. I'm sure all of you who make it will love it because it's so easy to make. So if you liked it, share it, and until next time. Goodbye.